I'm panting because I just did my 20 push-ups. 20 push-ups, 20 squats in the shower, jogged on the spot a bit, walked about 6Ks yesterday. I just feel like I'm exercising more and more. This white glue, man. Why does anybody use it? I just had a shower for the first time since yesterday when I put this stuff on. Can you see that? Can you see how white that is? Look at it. That's insane. Why is anybody using this type of glue? Fuck, teach me that. But in philosophy, I'm not going to be doing this in real life anymore. Look, all the way along. That's right under the front. It's gone in under there as far as water would allow, whitened everything. And I was just about to walk out the door. And look, it just peeled straight back. It's already lost its stick. That's one shower. Is it just this next gen stuff? This stuff doesn't work at all. Like, you might as well be trying to stick a piece of paper to another piece of paper as a post-it note, perhaps. I mean, I don't understand why it's sold. Can you explain to me how it works? Is it Ghost Bond is like that too, isn't it? Turns white, doesn't stick. I've got flecks of fucking white glue in my hair. Like, guys, what the hell is this shit? Can you teach me something? Why would you ever not wear clear glue? Like the glue that actually works. I know it melts at 25 degrees, but this dissolves in a shower and turns white. Like, come on, that has got to be better than that. Let me know.